Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. And today's video is the May 2019 Allure Beauty Box. And I did not get April. There were just so many issues I had with them not getting it and trying to reship. I just told them to cancel it. I didn't even want it. So, which I was disappointed because that was one box that I really wanted. And this is what the box looks like when you open it. You know, just hashtag Allure Beauty Box inside. You get a pamphlet that does, you know, tell you, gives you, I think, a little note from the editor, and it just does show you all the products in your beauty box. So we'll be using that as a reference. And this is what the bag looks like this month. It's an orange bag, and prior they were snaps, so now it's like envelope style, which is kind of nice. Maybe the snaps were breaking. And I have some products that are just loose in the bag, so I'll leave them there. I guess I'll just do them in the order that I see them. Might be a little bit easier, because now I gotta find them in the book. Okay, the first product is from, and it's from Allure Cosmetics, and it's a lip gloss in Vibe. And this has a value of $20, and I do believe this is a full-size product. So we'll open that up, and I just rip the box. And this is the color. And I do like these kinds of colors, so I will swatch it. I don't know how light this is, but we'll... it's definitely a lip gloss, but I love lip gloss. Sometimes I build it up with more than one coat, and then you can get some good color out of it. So there's the color. Here's the color in the tube, and there's the color on my hand. So that's a pretty color. I definitely will wear that. I'm more of a nude tone lipstick, not really pinks or corals. I tend to be more the warm, like browns and like these types of colors. And we're going to get right into the bag. And I love these bags. I save them. And use, like this one now that it's a little bit envelope style, would really be good to put all kinds of paperwork and stuff like that in here. Okay, I see two sample sizes, and this is from the company Nunzio Saviano Anti-Frizz Sheets. And this is portable hair luster sheets with coconut oil and UV protectant. The price is $18 for a box. Here, I'm sorry, I should be showing you the samples. This it's $18 for a box of 15. We've received 2, and you can get them at Amazon. And this is, I guess, basically to help tame like flyaways. They have coconut oil in them, helps condition. So, let me see what it says. It stops frizz, obviously. Okay. So there's 2 sheets there. So, you know, I don't know if I'll use them, but you never know, I might. Never say never. So if you get $18, you get 15 sheets. So, you know, obviously they're definitely samples. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out is from Saint Tropez. And this is Self Tan, and this is Purity. And this is what this looks like. Show you. And it does have like a pump. And this is Self Tan Purity Bronzing Water Gel. I mean, I will try this for sure. And I did get the mitt along with it, which is nice because then if not, you have to put a glove on. So I got the mitt and the spray. And this full size, which this is not, this is a sample size right here. The full size is $44, and you can buy this at Ulta.com, or Ulta, I'm sure. So that's nice that they gave you the mitt. I love the smell of Saint Tropez products. It always smells like Hawaii to me. I've been to Hawaii, so it just brings back all those memories. So just like anything like Hawaiian Tropic, anything like that. The next product is from Laneige, and this is a moisture cream, and this is, it says Water Bank Moisture Cream, and this you buy directly at their site, and this, the full size would be $35, and the full size you can see here in the booklet. It's like a little pot, so I don't know how many ounces, if you can even see that on their little 1.6 looks like the full size, and this is not. This is only 0.2. So this is a sample, and this is what it looks like right here, little sample. So I'm not mad at that. I mean, moisture creams, like I said, I'm all about skincare moisturizers. Never mad at that. That's a nice product to have. And I already have this next product in a much smaller container. And this is Allure by Jean Co. And this is called Erase. And this is a cleansing, exfoliating, and brightening powder. And here's the, if you can see the label. And this is definitely a powder. And I have, for my FabFitFun box, they had, it was a bottle of this, but I think it's a little bit smaller of a bottle. The next one was like a calming liquid. I think it had like a doe foot applicator on it. And then the third option was like some kind of a turmeric, I'm not sure how you say that, little thing. And that's like for spa treatment. If you have, if you have, a breakout or one starting and you put that on, it's supposed to calm your skin down super fast. Sometimes I have issues with that. You still get, every once in a blue moon, I don't have trouble skin, but every once in a while one will pop up. And if I catch it when I start to feel it and put that stuff on, it works. And I have tried this, and this is very nice. And the calming liquid that I have is nice. So I'm not angry to get a replacement for this. And you don't need a lot of this to mix with the water. So you can get many uses out of that. And then the last thing in my bag is from, and this is from Eye Lights, and this is a metallic eyeshadow, and I think, Model Co. Is this the color St. Bart's? I'm not sure. And the price is $12 for a full size. This is not a full size, and you buy, yes, modelco.com is where you would buy it from. And this is the color that I got. Here, let me just try it this way. And I will swatch this. Sometimes we got another one, and I really did like it. It was just a little too glittery for me, but this one seems to be going on a lot nicer. I don't know if this will show up. I don't know if you can see it. It's right here. So you can see next to the lip gloss the product. So that's not bad. I mean, small, but to try it out to see if you like it. I'm not always a big fan of these. It's a little tacky right now. I don't know if it'll dry down. I don't know if it says if it dries down. This is a bronzy champagne cream shadow. Dries fast. Doesn't crease or rub off. Yeah, right. They always rub off a little bit. But it's still a little tacky, so I'm sure it'll dry down. But the other one we got was more of like a pinky purpley color, and it's just a lot of glitter, and it just wound up getting in my eye. This was a mess. I mean, I think I would have to try it maybe just a little bit less, but something like this I definitely would try. And that is everything that is in the Allure Beauty Box for the month of May. So I'm not really disappointed in this. I mean, we got an eyeshadow, a lip gloss, which I will use, a tanning mitt with a sample of the tanning product, which is nice. Like I said, I've already tried this and like it, so I'm not angry about that. I know a lot of people are like, what's that? And make it, stuff is great. They're missing out if they don't use it. And the 2 anti-frizz sheets, I don't know if I will use them, but here in Pennsylvania, it gets very hot and humid, so maybe it will help a little bit with frizz from the humidity, so might try them out. And the Laneige moisture cream, never mad at that. And then I love these bags, so I saved them and reused them. So that is the video for today. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of the products in the box. Do you get Allure? Do you want to get Allure? It is $15 a month. Usually on their site, they have some codes. If I find one on their site, I will put it down in the description box. And, you know, Allure sometimes has issues with shipping. People are getting it through Amazon versus getting it through Allure. And then some people from Amazon weren't getting the current month. So I just go straight through Allure. I've been getting it since January of this year. So this is technically should have been my 5th box, but it's my 4th box. So I'm going to give them another shot for June and see how well they do with the shipping and no issues. Like I said, I had an issue in April. I didn't have an issue for May. I had a problem in January, which was my 1st box. They took care of that wonderfully. So, you know, right now I'm still riding the fence with them. But for $15, I'm not disappointed ever with the products that you get. They're giving you brand names and, you know, like this is a full-size product. This is a full-size product. So you're getting some full-size products, which, like I said, I'm never mad at. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye now.